Understanding Rolling Set, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, rolling set. This might sound a bit tricky at first, but don't worry, we'll explore it together in an easy-to-understand way. So, let's roll into our lesson. Rolling set is a phrase that's not commonly used in everyday English, but it can pop up in various contexts. Essentially, it refers to a continuous sequence or a series of events that happen one after the other, without interruption. Think of it like a rolling wheel that keeps moving forward. To better understand rolling set, let's look at some examples. In filmmaking, a rolling set might refer to a continuous shooting schedule where scenes are filmed one after the other without significant breaks. In a manufacturing context, a rolling set of products could imply a continuous production line where items are made consecutively. Let's put rolling set into sentences. The director called for a rolling set to ensure the film was completed on schedule. The factory implemented a rolling set of operations to boost efficiency. Understanding similar phrases can help deepen your understanding of rolling set. Rolling schedule, a plan or timetable that is continuously updated or in motion. In a row, consecutive, one after the other. And that's a wrap on rolling set. Remember, it's all about continuous action or events. We hope this video has made the concept clear and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.